Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Yay! Currently it's 6 a.m. in the morning. So we're gonna hike. We're gonna go to Ketong Falls in Tublay Benguet here in the Philippines for those people who watch my videos internationally even or if there is, okay? So I'm gonna show you what to expect, but don't expect that our circumstances that day will be the same with your circumstances when you're gonna go there. I'm just gonna show you some stuff where you can partially expect, I think, are beneficial or relevant to the expectation that you're making up in your mind. So when you go there, make sure that your mood don't depend on the people that you're with. You're gonna go there and enjoy things with the nature, but make sure to take care of yourself. Make sure to have a good and comfortable and proper outfits before going there and hydrate, sleep well. But if you're strong enough and you're used to like nocturnal effects, make sure that you're gonna be careful and you're gonna be vocal when you feel like you're dizzy or something. This is the coordinator that we coordinated with, and they're really effective. They're really open and fun and entertaining in a way where you are like involved, and they treat their customers well. They want you to experience life. They communicate effectively in a way for you not to be confused because they're gonna be telling you every details that you need to hear. Or if they're missing out, they're gonna answer it as fast as they can. And I think that's a good introduction. So without further ado, let's get started.
Di ba? Nagiging road trip.
Ka-imagine mo
Road trip.
Naglalakbay sa... Pag-sumali nga sa sumunod.
Ayan. Nag-oray kami shuttle.
Gusto ba? Ayaw pala.
Kababain nag-English.
Agkatang kakaya gawin, Zaycot. Hindi nanong ako. Bunti
Ano
kaya niya.
Nag-oray kami tikwan shuttle. Shuttlecock. Okay, so we're on the way. Kawan, maula kami tilikon. Maula ko kung girl. Bundok na yon, pinakamalapit.
Yan yung bundok na Ambong Dolan dyan. May mga caves dyan somewhere. Kaya yun.
Ay, makadiyay.
So mag
Charets.
na lang kayo, create lang.
Bakit mula?
Pag ano. Next is stretch naman ng kamay. Ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 1. Rest muna saglit. Arts na galing kay Sir Rafi din. Yun.
Ingay kay turn. Wow, 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 wow. We are the Transformers! Transformers! Nagmet-met tanda ito eh. Tapos yun.
T-shirt yan. Duwa ka dito ulo.
Wow. Hello guys. Ag-smile kayong mata?
We're busy.
Eh. Screenshot nyo na lang. Eh, hi. Kabubutang. Wait lang. At pasok tayo dito sa hole. Eh, wow. Oh, perfect. Giseri, let's scroll. Ag-crawl ka talaga dito eh. Mm. Ayan, so we have stalagmites sa taas tapos sa baba stalagmites daw. Bawal hawakan because it grows 1 inch.
Tapos yung stalag, yung G-ground.
Adya ground. Okay. Ayan, kagita dagsil silang shining, shimmering, splendid. It grows 1 inch every 100 years. Be careful. Jessica Soho. Eh.
Tatayo agad ng oops.
Ay, wow. Oh, wow.
Tapos,
Wow.
tumakbo nga bago sa akin. Sayang di ba ito galing ma'am lumay.
Picture, picture. Ay, mag-selfie tayo. Wow. Please, picture. Zing, 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 zing.
Who's there? Open the- Half open rose.
Siguro sublikan ko pa ng
Half open rose candy yan. Di ba half open rose? Kaninong rose yan? Charot yan.
may bagat nga drip wall kasi naka-drip siya sa
Wall.
drip. Drip wall.
At lakbayin. At tuklasin. Chamber of Pater
Kasi naka-drip siya sa
Wall.
drip. Drip
Paterno. Ay, General Paterno.
Hanot pi man niya agdi-trip is mga taturugan na.
Okay. Oh. Okay. So, we're about our lunch. Lunch. Ano data? What is that? Ano data?
Dadim. Okay na.
Sup-sup mo. I thank you so much. Auntie, gloves dyan.
Abugas na ti imam.
Marigata na nga. Ano ito ugasan dito?
Nugugam na pi man.
Ay, Bingaw-ngaw Cave. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh.
Okay, so day 20 rice terraces di Bingaw Cave.
Man-made daw to. Man-made.
So dito yung banda, agad sito ko na tayo Adam and Eve. Adam at saka si Eva.
Adam and Eve. O bumaba. Okay.
As you can see, ito po tae po ng mga bat. Tae po ng mga panik ito. Yung mga black ones, nahulog po sa taas.
Wow. Eh. 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 Ay, perfect. Eh. Mm. Girl, it's okay. That's how you do it. Eh. Mga yes. Oh.
Sumakin na din, sumakin na.
Oh. Oh.
Yung klase pala ng grind na ano, yung yun, fine grind yan. Kasi tawag dun sa first 30 seconds na blooming. Flicker. And then,
Ay, babay sa'yo.
awan medyo po nagiging ako.
Oh, 12. Sa may open.
Oo, sa may open na.